Castrol has been collaborating with businesses like yours since 1899, helping someone just like you to achieve your goals. Look around you. There's hardly a single component of modern life that we're not part of behind the scenes. The smartphone you carry in your pocket, we help make it happen. The smart car you drive to work, we help make it happen. The materials that build our cities, the energy that powers our homes, the things we want to learn, the games we love to play, we help make it happen. The ships that sail our seas, the planes that soar our skies, the teams that go even faster, the explorers that go even further, we help make it happen. The wheels, the wings, the nuts, the bolts, the gears, the new ideas. The data, the details, the new capabilities, and the new possibilities. We're here to help make it happen. So whatever you create, whatever you provide for the world, whatever you are doing to change the world, if you want a proven global partner with the products, the insights, the vision and the expertise to help you deliver your next business goal, talk to Castrol about what you want to make happen next, and we'll make sure you achieve the industrial success you deserve. Castrol, we help make it happen, and we'll help you make it happen.